Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drones under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Holystone HS110D FPV-RC drone. The Holystone HS110D drone is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and feature-rich drone. It comes with a 1080p HD camera that can capture stunning images and videos. The drone also has a 120 degrees wide field of view that allows you to see more of your surroundings. Additionally, the drone has a 3D flip feature that allows you to perform tricks and flips with ease. The gravity sensor is also a great feature that allows the drone to automatically adjust its flight path based on the direction of gravity. Lastly, the voice control and gesture control features allow you to easily control the drone without having to use a remote control. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lulin drone for kids. The Lulin drone is a great choice for those who are looking for an easy-to-use and affordable drone. It is perfect for beginners and children over 10. The drone has a maximum flight time of 40 minutes, making it great for capturing those special moments. The camera on the drone is 720 HD, providing you with clear and sharp images. The drone is also lightweight, making it easy to transport. Finally, the drone has a 360 degrees turn function, allowing you to capture those hard-to-reach places. At number 3, we have the SANROCK U52 Drone. The SANROCK U52 Drone is a great choice for beginners and adults. It is easy to use thanks to gesture control, gravity sensor, altitude hold, 3D flip, custom route, 1 key backward. The camera quality is 1080p HD, which allows you to take pictures in 720 HD video while flying. The battery can last up to 10 to 13 minutes on a full charge. There are 2 speed switches to choose from depending on your skills. At number 2, we have the Holystone F181W 1080p FPV drone. This indoor drone has an HD 720p camera with a 120-degree viewing angle. It certainly doesn't have the quality of a professional one, but it can be useful for casual photography if you are on vacation. If you have a limited budget and you want to buy an indoor drone with a camera, the Holystone F181W is best for you. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can see what your camera sees through its smartphone application. One of its cool features is its ability to maintain a specific altitude. This allows you to take good photos and videos. It's got an extra battery and propeller guards, which is especially useful for a kid. And finally, at number 1, we have the SYMA Drone. The SYMA Drone is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality drone with 1080p camera and Wi-Fi real-time transmission function. The headless mode and 360 degrees flip function make it easy to get started with flying, and the high-low speed function means you can adjust the speed to suit your needs. The one-button takeoff/landing function makes it easy to get started, and the 40 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries means you can keep flying for a long time. The app control means you can fly the drone from your smartphone or tablet, making it easy to get the perfect shot. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.